Hey there and welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew and today we're talking about how you can make money by doing office cleaning. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. If you're a member of the consulting crew, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Let's get to it. As I said, welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. Today we're talking about how you can make money by starting an office cleaning business. Now, you're probably wondering, why would I want to do this? Well, simple. You can do this on your own, or you can even scale up over time as you get more clients. And it's fairly simple to do with very little investment to get started. Most you're going to be out for investment is going to be the cost of transportation to get to and from those businesses, and then the cleaning supplies themselves. The best part when it comes to the cleaning supplies is it's not like you're going to empty out an entire thing of Windex in one business. Well, depending on the size. Or Lysol, or anything else. Any cleaning supplies you have, when you go to that business, you're not likely to use every last little drop of it. So you get multiple uses out of those cleaning supplies, which means you get to either charge by the hour or a flat rate fee for cleaning that business. And then you turn around and generate a profit based on the amount of time you spend and the cleaning supplies that you have to use and whatever it costs you to get to and from that business. So you could potentially make a fair amount of money for a short time of work, depending on exactly what all you're going to do for the cleaning service. Are you just going to mop, vacuum, sweep, and clean windows? Are you going to dust every room? Are you going to shampoo carpets? Are you going to do other services that entail more work? Because the more that you do means the more that you can potentially charge. We'll say, for instance, if you go to a small office building, maybe we'll say 10 rooms at maximum, you could charge either by the hour or a flat rate fee. Hypothetically, we'll say $10 an hour, or you could say $100 for the building, and it will cost you, we'll say, $15 in cleaning supplies and another $5 for fuel for transportation to get to and from there. Then you spend an hour, 2 hours to clean that entire office. So you could potentially make $20 for 2 hours worth of work, or $80+ for that 2 hours worth of work cleaning the office, vacuuming, sweeping, mopping, washing windows, and dusting. Now, if they have removable rugs, like a gas station does, the little roll-out mats, you could go even further and not only vacuum them, but you could potentially take those rugs and shampoo them, have them physically washed and dried, in which case that could be an additional service and an additional fee. Or we'll say that you only offer the bare minimum of cleaning, which would be emptying out the garbage, vacuuming, doing windows, and dusting. You could potentially still make a fair amount of money for doing a very small amount of work. As I said, you could charge by the hour or a flat rate fee for the entire building. I do want to stress, though, that if you do something like this, you should look into liability insurance, just to ensure that you are protected in the event of anything happening while doing office cleaning. This way, you're covered and the business is covered in the event of any kind of damages. We'll say, for instance, you're washing windows and somehow you're spraying Windex on the window near the back of a computer screen. That computer screen has vents on the back of it, and a little bit of that moisture or mist from the Windex goes into the computer monitor, fries it out because any kind of liquid on an electronic is not good, screws it up. Well, if you have liability insurance, it'll cover you in the event that something like that happens, and the insurance will cover the replacement of that item. Or we'll say, hypothetically, that you're mopping the floor and you trip and fall. That liability insurance will also cover you potentially getting injured from slipping and falling while you work. I would highly recommend speaking with an insurance agent in your area to determine the best way to go about this and the cost of doing that insurance policy. If you want more information, I highly recommend checking out my blog at consultablindguy.com/blog, where I go into more detail there and give you some tips, tricks, and other things that you definitely should consider before doing this business and how you can get started. I hope you found today's video helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And who knows, maybe your question will become the topic of a future video. Until the next time, I hope you have a great day or evening, depending on where you are in the world, and we'll see you next time.